Wow. What's up, el peoples? I don't know why I keep doing that. I'll turn the camera to me, say what's up, and then turn it. Need a better intro style. I talked about it last time. We got the transmission flushed and everything. I pulled the heater out, the heater blower motor out. It was shot. This right here. It's the old one. The new one came in when I got off work today. I mounted it and then went to bed. But now I got the new motor with the other stuff, a motor and such on it. But it's literally just a little C-clip or a clip. Pull it off, pulled the fan off, put the new one on, swapped it out. There's two little nuts that are under this fan right here, and they mount to that. And then you have a recycled piece of garbage. So the last thing I need to do is I need to cut the positive line to put on here. And I need to mount the ground line as well, which I still have on the wall. I don't know what size it is. I think it's a 3/8. I think I have a ground right here on mine. Yeah, okay. So, let me grab it real quick. Let's see. I had a 3/8. Where'd it go? What the heck? I need to clean my garage again. It's been cold though. Plus working nights, I really don't feel like doing anything in the middle of the day. I feel like I'm looking at it. I just had it. It's fine, it's fine. The small one will work. Grab the 3/8. Actually, I don't have the 3/8 right here. We'll just take the adapter off. Definitely get yourself a DeWalt mini impact. These things are amazing. They are awesome. So I just have like a ground. I cut it because I couldn't get it off this one. That's when my back was hurting. I didn't want to really fiddle with it. So I'm going to put one of these styles on real quick on the other one, which I think I have some still. Electrical. It's an electrical section. About a mid. I don't think I have a. Oh yeah. That one might be too small. I might just reuse the other one. Yeah, I'll just reuse the other one. We'll get some heat shrink, some solder, wire strippers, and then I'm gonna probably gonna try to suction cut mount y'all onto this. I don't have my little tripod right now. I had it hooked up to my computer for streaming. Trying some things out, fiddling with it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. Now before I put this one on, I'm gonna let it cool, so I'm not messing with that solder while it's still hot, because it's obviously gonna be hot for a little bit. While we do that, we will wait and do the other side real quick. So I've got some chamfers, get us some nice real estate. Take our plug, get some nice real estate on it. Get some heat shrink, because we're gonna shrink it again. I don't know, are you even in frame? Yeah, you're in frame. We'll put this on. Oh well. We'll put this one on. Lay over here. These things are awesome. My whole headlight is set up this way with these little things. Easiest thing I've ever done. just like that, we have our new plugs for our new fan. And hear that? Nothing. I mean, the inside of the motor itself is much nicer than this old one. This one weighs like 10, 20, it feels like a 15-pound weight. This is like 5 pounds, it's lighter. But the model numbers match, so maybe they upgraded. Of course, AMC's out of business, so that's not from AMC. But now I'm gonna take y'all's suction cup. I'm gonna put y'all in my way right here. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, so now the only thing that I have to worry about doing this is making sure that this hole is up in that corner in that top right. So it's just, I have to clock it this way. That's it. So I'll put it in here, feed the wires back in. I can get the wire out of the way actually. It goes in. Now that it's past that wire, I gotta put my hand in here, move the LS harness. There we go. And oh, one more. Get up in there. It's on that motor piece. How did I do that last time? It went in like so, and it goes in right there. Oh, there it goes. Now we just gotta put these little tiny itty bitty screws back on, hold the motor in, and we'll do a test. Then I'll pull the spark plug out that I just cracked because for some reason I thought that was a good spot, but that's not me using a noodle. Come on. There we go. One dose. Gotta love it. Actually, I'm pretty excited that this is getting done. Because your boy wants heating. Boy wants it badly. It's a little cold. A little cold out there, you know. Put this on here. There it goes. And torque to spec mini impact. There's one. Getting down here to get this one's a pain. Even with a ratchet, it's a pain. Okay. And that one's always been messed up. Actually, that one, last time that one on the right wasn't even tight. It was loose halfway up. And we'll get our power with our other power and plug them together. I think I plugged it in backwards. No, I didn't. That's right way. Click. Now, yeah. Let's see if it does it now. It should. Oh. Low. Oh. Medium. Oh yeah. That's so much nicer. It's actually blowing harder than it was too, so the motor was just finally shot, I bet. Or it's upgraded, I don't know. Whew. All right, we got that done. The other thing I gotta do, my T56 Tick Performance shifter, when I did the short throw, it was way too light. It was about the same weight as my Fox Body 5.0 shifter, and it was hollow. So what I did was I ordered some tungsten beads. I don't know if you could see in there. I ordered on eBay tungsten beads, 2.2 millimeter little beads, and it was like I think it's like 70 grams is what I put in it, what I ordered, and I filled it up, and now it's a heavy ball, which is awesome. It's like $15. And then I have super glue on the top that's been slowly going down and down and filling it up just to get rid of all the gaps so you don't hear any rattling from the beads. And it's got some weight to it now, so I'm gonna put it back on, which is awesome. Very glad that I got to finally put that on. And then have Heather pull it out. We're gonna put it uphill. So this is the highest point because the system's all back or whatever. Get it to the highest point and then fill up the reservoir. And that'll be it. That'll be in this video. So we'll put this bad boy back on. I have loved the shifter. This whole system has been amazing. Put that there. We'll thread this way back up here again, where it was. And let me put you this way real quick so I can tighten this. Alrighty. Yeah, that feels much nicer. It's got some weight to it now. It's not like that spring is super impossible to hit. So I'm gonna go get the wifey. We'll back the car out, and yeah, she'll hold the brake down because I don't have an e-brake. That way I can keep the rotor running and I could be filling it up. And then that's it. So let me go get her real quick and we'll finish it up. One more. Right there. And just like that, it is now circulated again. I had an air bubble in the heater core from when I took the thermostat out. I finally got to bust open, and it's just kind of chilling over there right now because we're going to drive it to Sonic here in a minute just to make sure it doesn't overheat. That's the end of this video. Car is back on the road. We should be talking over Sean soon for some car stuff. So yeah, if you're interested, and keep watching. There's more to come, guys. Have a wonderful day, night, weekend, whatever you want to call it. We're going to get ourselves a Sonic drink. Bye.